Lach Public School.
Good morning, children. Today we are going to learn the noun. As you know that noun is also called naming word. So noun is the name according to grammarian. Noun is the name given to a person, place, animal or thing is called noun. You previously learned what is the definition of noun. So is it very easy before you? There is a given lots of example. If we see example, a man is standing on the roof. So here man is as a noun and is denoting to a person. According to your definition, a noun is the name given to a person. So a man is standing on the roof. If we select man is a noun, so man is here as a person. So it is noun. It will be noun. Second example, if we see, open your book as at page number 20. If we see, book is a noun. So what is book? Book is the name given to a thing. It is for a study. It is a book is a kind of thing. Be a study. So book is as a noun. And next example, if we see, our prime minister lives in Delhi. So if we select Delhi is as a noun, so Delhi becomes, it is a kind of place. So it is denoting place in this example. So it is called a noun. So it is the name of place. And next example, if we see, the cow is a gentleman. So here cow is what? Cow is a type of animal. It is the name given to an animal. So it will be noun. According to your definition, there is a easier to say a noun is the name given to a person, place, animal or thing. So whatever in the world, if it is a person, animal or thing, so we may see it is noun. Further, we will discuss the noun kinds. So noun kinds, if we see, there are actually 5 kinds of noun, So noun is a naming word. There are different types of noun as a common noun, proper noun, collective noun, abstract noun, material noun. These are 5 nouns according to your chapters. First, common noun. So we will understand a common noun is a word refers to any member of a class or person, place, animal or thing. It is denoted by a member of class of a person, place or animal or whole. Like example, a boy was watching TV. So here boy is a common noun. It is refers to any kind of boy. So boy here is a common noun. Rose is a sweet flower. So flower have also different kinds of flower. There are lots of flower in the world. So flowers is a common name given to a thing. So it is called common noun. Rose is a sweet flower. Flower is a common noun. And proper noun, you know that proper noun is a word which name to a given to person, place or animal or thing. It is a particular name of any kind of person, place or animal or thing. If we see example, we will see John reached his school late. So here John is a proper noun which is given to a kind of name to a boy, a particular boy, which name is John. So John will be proper noun. And next, my friend lives in Delhi, lives in London, sorry. So London here is a proper noun. London is given to a name particular place who is in Britain, so it will be proper noun. Again, now we will discuss about the collective noun. So collective, it means is a collection or is a group, a kind of a group. Collective noun, a noun is standing for a collection or a group of a person or things considered as one whole is called collective noun, as crowd, army, class, team. So these words are refers to a group or collection. It is a crowd. I mean crowd, a lot of people is there, army, a group of a soldier, class, there are a lot of students in the class. So it is considered as a group or team. It is maybe a different kinds of team, maybe cricket team, football team. There are different kinds of players in the team. So these words are referred as a particular group. So collective noun refers to a collection of a group of a person or thing considered as a collective noun. If we see example of collective noun, so if anyone see his family lives in Mumbai, so family is here as a collective noun. And which team lost the cricket match? So here team is a collective noun which show a particular collection of a player. Indian army is marching forward. So here army is a collective noun. Army is a particular kind of group of a soldier. A fox are a bunch of grapes. So bunch is here a collection of fruits. I mean it is a collective noun. So collective noun always refers to particular group or collection. So I think is it clear before you? And next one, abstract noun. So about abstract noun, we may see abstract noun is the name of something which can neither see nor touch, but we can always only think as. Yeah, we may say that it is only how we feel to that. So abstract noun is the name of something only we can't see our naked eyes or maybe not touch, but we can only think about it and we feel about it. So if we see the example, truth. So truth is neither can see or not can touch. It is only feel. Truth is a quality. So truth, it will be abstract noun. And wisdom, like wisdom, cleverness. So it is the wit. We can't see any kind of wit or wisdom. We only feel of particular person. He is a wise person, like that. So wisdom is a quality only we can feel. So it is called abstract noun. And falsehood it means who is not correct. So incorrectness we can only feel it, not see or touch. So it is also abstract noun. Honesty, you know, honesty is the best policy. Honesty is the particular quality of a person who is adopted in his life. So honesty we can't neither can be see or nor can be touch. Only it is feel. If we see that is honest man, so only we think about it, not we can see or touch it. So all things which is not able to see or touch, so it is called abstract noun. And next, if we see material noun, according to, from the material, it comes from the word matter. Matter, you know, according to science, matter is a thing which occupy a space, like air, water, everything in the world which occupy a space is called matter. It is not period of science, but it is refers to material is refers to matter. So what kind of matter in the world is it? All matters are called material noun. If you see the definition, the name given to a material or substance of which things are made is called material. Material noun, it means things are made is called material. From the matter, any kind of matter, if we see the book, table, furniture, etc., many kind of material matter here, thing. So it is, from matter we make the thing. जो भी चीजें हैं मटेरियल, मैटर से ही बनती हैं. जो भी चीजें बनाई जाती हैं वो मैटर से बनती हैं. तो मटेरियल नाउन वो मटेरियल नाउन कहलाता है. जैसे गोल्ड, सिल्वर, मिल्क, पेपर, आयरन, स्टील, ग्रास, etc. So it is very easier to understand that any kind of matter in the world is called material noun. Suppose you may see the example, I gave a ring made of gold. So here I gave a ring made of gold. So here gold is a material noun. It is a kind of matter we create from the earth by the mining, and she made ice cream made of milk. So here milk is a material noun. So it is a clear before you what is material noun. Material noun which occupy a space, what kind of matter you have, it is called material noun. So today we finish the lesson 4 and 5 of classes. Now next video will be uploaded next time. Thank you.
Subscribe now and press the bell icon. Never miss an update.